Hey, what's up, guys? It looks like we got a couple more packages here. I believe they are the shirts and pants, if they feel like. Again, we only got one of each because we want to make sure that the quality's right, that they fit right before we order more. So let's open them up. Let's open them up and see what we got. Where's the freaking... I guess I'm just going to put the hole through this. Oh, they double bagged it. Okay, these are the pants. Okay. All right, so navy. Cargo pants, navy cargo pants. All right, they look pretty cool. Oh, they've definitely got some flex to them. So we're gonna try those on and see how those are. Let's get the shirt going. See what we got in here. I ordered 2 shirts, 2 different colors. Okay. All right. A little easier in the box, but anyway, let's see what we got here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, the company name got me. Got me. I don't know who I ordered it from. It was through Amazon. Let's see what we got here. Got some polos. They feel soft anyway. All right, so it's got our, you can see, guys, it's got our logo on there. Okay. We also put the American flag on the sleeve. Let's make sure the spelling's right here. It is. So that's what we got there. I gotta tell you, I mean, the material, the year the company was created, okay, it feels soft, but I'm going to tell you now, just from holding it, that these things are running big. I know that right off the bat, just from feeling it, that these shirts run bigger than the actual size. So, but we're gonna try them on anyway. Let's see what the other one looks like. They are soft, if that matters to you. But again, we got 2 colors, the blue and the white, because we didn't know which one we wanted. And so let's take a look. That's what the back side looks like, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, we put the American flag on there. It's just a different one. It's kind of like a torn up flag. Okay. Again, with the we did the year the company was created, and the logo. Okay, so I hope you guys can see that. Again, the material feels good, but they definitely look like they're running large. Let's see what this material is, just so you guys get a gist of what the material is. And wow, not even a tag. Okay. Oh, I'm looking in the wrong spot. Okay. All right, so it's polyester. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be a fan with polyester. I don't know why. I thought I ordered cotton, but it's polyester. So anyway, they look like they look like they're running large on the size. We're going to let you guys know how they feel. Probably going to order a different shirt just as it is. I don't think polyester is the right type of material to work in. I could be wrong though, but we're going to let you know. But I thought we ordered cotton shirts, so these are great for estimators, I believe. But for the guys out in the field, I think we want to do cotton. Okay, since they're going to be getting worn a lot. I don't know how polyester would last. I think it's good for the estimators, but for the guys in the field, cotton's the way to go. But anyway, that's what we got, guys. Again, we still have more stuff coming in. We probably are going to do, just based on what I'm looking at now, a reorder and get the cotton shirts. And we'll let you know when those come in. We're still waiting on magnetic signs and that's it, and other equipment. But guys, that's what we got today. Every day it's like Christmas over here. We're always getting something, but I hope all is well. And guys, again, if you're looking to start a business, there's no better time than now. If you need advice from us, feel free to contact us. Our information is always in the description box below. Hope all is well. Get after it. We'll talk to you all soon. Peace out.